Welcome to Activities in Portugal. This week we are going to stuff our face with the delicious Pastel de Nata. The Pastel de Nata is a delicious Portuguese custard tart which delights with its crispy flaky pastry crust and creamy egg custard filling. It originated in Belém, but its history dates back centuries. But where is the best place in Lisbon to buy a custard cake? Our first stop was Manteigaria. Manteigaria is a famous Lisbon establishment. The prettiest and oldest shop you will find on Rua Augusta in Baixa. It's located in the heart of the city and it offers freshly baked delights with perfect blend of crispy pastry and creamy custard. Manteigaria claim to be different because they use butter inside the Pastel de Nata instead of margarine. In the shop in Rua Augusta, you can watch the bakers work their art in the back. But are their Pastel de Natas the tastiest? Tasting Pastel de Natas all day is possibly one of the hardest jobs, but someone has to do it, so I've volunteered myself. Is it tasty? Yes. There is no doubt that the recipe combines high quality ingredients, ensuring a rich and flavourful Pastel de Nata. Up next, we walked up some hills to burn off a couple of calories and headed to Castro in Chiado. Castro is an atelier that focuses exclusively on baking the very best Pastel de Nata according to their website, and I've got to say the shop itself is really cute. In its retro ambience, you can taste a delicious Pastel de Nata. The shop is tiny but cosy and the staff are really friendly. The nata itself was hot, crispy and fresh, and most of all extremely tasty. According to their website, they state they have a secret recipe to be enjoyed by all and they have put many hours in developing the perfect balance. It's a one-of-a-kind space, that is very true, where you can follow the pastry baking process from start to finish. For visitors from abroad, this recipe offers an insight into the Portuguese personality and a delicious memory to take home and savour. Up next is the vegan nata. The vegan nata Lisbon offers a plant-based twist on Portugal's beloved pastry. Its dairy-free custard filling and vegan pastry crust captures the essence of the traditional Portuguese nata while catering to the vegan lifestyle, perfect for those seeking a cruelty-free indulgent without compromising on taste or authenticity. For our last visit in central Lisbon, we went to Fábrica de Nata in Rocio. Fábrica de Nata is another chain of stores that has shops in Lisbon, in Porto, in Sintra. The shop in Rocio has lots of seating and it also has other things that you can buy for breakfast if you don't fancy a Pastel de Nata. Fábrica de Nata embodies tradition, inviting visitors to partake in quintessential culinary experience, where every pastry tells a story of Portugal's rich cultural history. Again, here visitors can watch the bakers work their magic, producing the delicious Pastel de Natas. Our final stop was where it all started, the Pastéis de Belém in Belém. The Pastéis de Belém is an iconic establishment in Lisbon and it stands as a custodian of Portugal's culinary legacy. Since 1837, this historic bakery has been interchangeable with the revered Pastel de Nata. Patrons flock to savour this custard tart, crafted from a closely guarded secret handed down through generations. In fact, it's so guarded that the three people that know the recipe in 2024 are not allowed to travel together on planes, trains or automobiles. The aroma of freshly baked pastries fills the air as visitors queue eagerly to taste the crispy flaky crust and creamy custard fillings, sprinkled with cinnamon and sugar, of course. With its charming ambience and unwavering dedication to tradition, Pastéis de Belém continues to captivate hearts and palates, embodying the essence of Portuguese gastronomy. But is it the best pastel de nata in Lisbon? Well, drumroll, according to my uneducated palate, my favourite was actually at Castro. I love the shop, it's really cute, the staff are super friendly, and the pastel de nata was crispy and delicious. Activities in Portugal. Find adventures that you want to talk about. Choose top Portuguese destinations like Lisbon. Choose from thousands of fun, exciting and affordable activities in Portugal. Select your destination, select your category, select your activity and book online. The booking process is super easy. Just slide over to the calendar, select your date, select your time and book now. Double check your order in the basket and then proceed to checkout. Really is that easy to book an amazing activity in Portugal.